Hey everybody, it's your friend Jenna with Uncomplicated Kitchen, and right now I'm gonna show you how to make the fastest, easiest 3-bean salad you've ever had. One of the things I love about this bean salad is that it really makes use of pantry staples. So in this bowl, I've got 1 can of garbanzo beans, 1 can of green beans, and 1 can of kidney beans. I have rinsed those and drained them, and they're just right here mixed in this bowl. Our other pantry staples include the things for our dressing. So we're going to combine that right in this bowl. 3 tablespoons of olive oil went in, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, ½ teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of honey or sugar or agave nectar, ½ teaspoon of kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper to taste, and then mix that up. Couple of ribs of celery, diced, about 1/3 cup of thinly sliced onion, and then I like to use every color of bell pepper, but you can just choose one and you need at least ½ cup. One note about celery. If you have the green leaves attached and they still look really nice and fresh, please go ahead and use them. They add such a nice texture and additional celery flavor. Make sure to spill some on the floor, of course. Mix it all up, make sure to get everything incorporated and give it a taste. A little more vinegar and a little more salt, and that should do it. I think that this is definitely best when it marinates overnight, but it's absolutely fine to eat right now. And there you have it, 3-bean salad. Super simple, very tasty, and ready in a flash.